Built your Shopify store, but Google hasn't found it yet? You need to submit your sitemap. In this video, I'll show you how to do it in under 5 minutes. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your sitemap is a file that lists all your store's pages, helping Google discover and index them faster. First, you need Google Search Console. Go to search.google.com/search-console, add your website, and verify ownership. Shopify often makes this easy with a simple HTML tag verification. Once inside, find the Sitemaps section in the menu. Now, simply add your sitemap URL. For most Shopify stores, it's /sitemap.xml. Submit it, and Google will start crawling your site. A crucial pro tip: don't just submit it and forget it. Check Search Console regularly for errors or coverage issues. It will tell you if Google is having trouble indexing any of your important pages. And just like that, you've invited Google to your store. Submitting your sitemap is a one-time task that puts you on the path to free organic traffic. Have you set up Google Search Console before? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to set up Google Analytics on Shopify. Thanks for watching.